It's no secret that I've made some pretty bad decisions in my life, like going to art school or listening to Avril Lavigne in 4th grade. But today marks the day that I will have made a very grave mistake by letting this man make me say yes to him for 24 hours. And I'm gonna vlog it, so hope you enjoy, cause I sure won't. Alright, I have something to tell you.
Yeah, what is it?
So it's about the video that we're making today. We are doing the say yes for 24-hour challenge.
For example, let me test it out. If I say, yes, can you rub my back? Would you do it? Okay. Wait a second. Let's see how far this can go. It won't be too harsh on you. Don't worry about that. Okay, let's start the day and let's see where it takes us. Give me a kiss. Good boy. Maniacal laugh. Well, I see you made yourself a coffee. Could you make me one too?
Okay, master. Do you want me to call you sir?
Okay, let's make one thing clear, babe. You're not my slave. Like I said, I'm gonna be a gentleman and let's just see where it takes us.
Okay. I'm gonna make you this coffee that you randomly bought one day and cost $50 for one bag. Oh! You want this iced, sir?
Yeah, maybe 4 pieces.
I make the best iced coffee, right? Oh,
Thank you, babe.
here you go. So what else do you have planned for your dream day?
I mean, the weather is not really on our side, so maybe we could go get new board games. Maybe we can get an Uber to the bookstore and we could get a board game there that we could play later.
Sure. Okay, so far this is not so bad. I can live with this.
I'll be a gentleman. Remember that when my turn comes. Give me soft. Give me smoosh. Give me soft.
Our viewers don't know what a soft is, so I'm gonna show you for the first time ever what he means by giving someone soft. It's a light version of soft.
Give me the kiss now. Okay, babe, let's get ready to go.
Sure.
Oh, I forgot to wear my cologne. Could you go get my cologne, the one I like, and spray it on me?
Which is the one that you like?
The VSL. Thank you. That's enough.
I'll use mine as well.
Yeah, the one that I like. And then walk away. Camera back on. And you got pants.
You really have to film me getting ready like this?
If I say, yes I do, would it bother you?
No.
What did you just put on your lip?
Lip balm.
Can you show me?
Can I just say, I've never seen Max this excited about filming a video, and it's just incredibly unsettling.
Heard that. I'm putting music for Bruce.
You can do whatever you want because this is your day.
It's my day. Is it my birthday?
No.
If I want a cake, are you gonna make me a cake?
That's what you want.
I'll have that cake. Okay, babe, I'm gonna bring the umbrella just in case because it's raining. Can you carry the bag for me?
Sure, sir.
Okay, so yes, it's really windy outside. Can you call Uber?
Okay.
Yes, I'm a bit bored. Can you tell me a poem?
Roses are red, violets are blue. You're annoying.
It doesn't even rhyme.
You didn't ask for it to rhyme.
We have some low clouds around early this morning. Expect the clouds to thin out by daybreak with partly cloudy skies, lows in the upper 50s and lower 60s later today.
Yay, bookstore!
What a gloomy day.
Right. And we go. Did it?
Oh, this is actually really pretty. There it is.
Can we get Jenga?
Yes.
I'm kind of hungry. Do you think we could go buy ingredients at the Walmart for you to make poutine for lunch?
Okay. I don't know how to make poutine.
There's a first for anything.
All right. I guess I'll try for you. Anything for my love.
Alright. Babe, I want to walk through there to see the Christmas lights.
Okay, let's go.
Can you do me a dance? Alright babe, so what are the three main ingredients to make poutine?
Fries, cheese curds, and gravy.
Those are proper cheese curds for poutine.
One's enough, right?
Got fries. Next is gravy. Found it.
Yay.
Original. Because you're lactose intolerant, you cannot have the cheese curd. If you want, we could go get sausage or bacon, so that at least for you, it's not just gonna be fries and gravy.
Okay.
Pre-made bacon, because making it at home is always so greasy and smells. What is that for?
I don't know, it just looks so cute.
Let's get sausage.
What kind?
The thicker, the better.
Daddy sausage?
Maybe something like that.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're all set. So let's go pay, and then,
We can cook!
and if it's not too much rain outside, I'll stop by the liquor store to get cocktail. Board game and cocktails time.
That's what you want, master.
Master.
Yo, I hate that I said that.
Cocktail time.
I don't know how to make cocktail. I don't know what you expect me to do.
I'll teach you. This is yummy. Bullet bourbon. That's what we're getting. You can make whiskey sour and old fashioned.
I'm used to give all I have. I'm used to get nothing back. For every record, it's the same. Sometimes I can understand how it can be so unstable.
Thank you.
Everything has changed, even though it won't stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain?
This one's funny. Talk with accent. While it's melting, can you sing me a song?
Butter in the hand with sausages and fries.
Can you give me a sexy look? It's a bit unsettling.
So sexy and scary. Are these cooked enough for you, you think?
Yeah, they look good.
We got this at Walmart one random day. It's like amazing, isn't it?
It does not take much to surprise that boy.
Literally, it's the best. It's the best can opener. This is getting a bit overwhelming. Everything's...
Too many things to do at the same time.
Yeah.
Show me the bacon.
It kind of looked like it has spit on it. Oh my god, it's like so cute. I'm like putting a baby to sleep. Like, good night.
Bacon. Hey babe, while waiting for the fries to get ready, come sit on my lap and give me a big kiss. Come sit on Santa's lap. Yeah, I need a shoulder rub. let's put a special twist into our gravy. Let's add some gochujang.
Let's make it spicy.
Or maybe you can blow on it until you pass out. Hey, COVID. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bacon and sausage. Wow. Thumbs up to our homemade poutine.
This is like my favorite poutine ever.
It's our guilty pleasure, so let's not have it too often.
Maybe just like twice a week. Cheers.
Cheers. Hey babe, time to make cocktail. So I'm gonna ask you to make us a whiskey sour with the bourbon that we bought earlier. Oh.
I'm shy.
All right. So look for the recipe to make.
Whiskey sour, the recipe.
What's up?
This is you. All white with a little bit of yellow.
You're my little bit of yellow. This is wrong. Can't say that. Can't put that online.
Shake. And then after that you add ice and then shake.
Well shaken.
I have a good feeling about this.
What is it? Cheers. Thanks for the cocktail.
Woo! Strong.
Let's start playing that Jenga game now.
Let's go. Come over here.
Lift me.
Impossible.
I do it with one hand.
Rock, paper, scissors, gun.
Alright. Okay. Come on.
You can't beat
You're
me.
cheating, you're cheating. Come on, I'm there.
Woo! Do a catwalk.
Come on, boys, see that walk. 1, 2, 1, 2. Do a gun show. Flex! I need to go back to the gym, that's what it means. I have to give a shoulder massage. Sir, where does it hurt?
Never have I ever.
Never have I ever had a crush on one of my friends.
Wait, your friend?
A friend.
Well, yeah, I've had a crush on my friend before.
Ooh,
You've never had a crush on your friend?
No, it's bros before hoes, bro. French kiss. Come here. Nice kiss, bro.
Great tongue word, bro.
Okay. Let's...
I like that you're committing with the voice as well.
My last request for tonight is that you cuddle me while playing video games.
Okay.
Anyway.
That's easy enough.
The last on camera.
Rise and shine. Coffee.
Thanks, babe.
It's good, but actually, could you get me orange juice? I'd prefer orange juice.
Would you rather have a kiss first?
Sure, I'll take the kiss. Now go make me orange juice.
Okay.
Yay! What a nice boy. Love you.
Thank you. Actually, I was thinking, could you make me a new breakfast? Sure.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. No, 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 no. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now.
Looks yummy, babe.
It's yummy, but well, I mean, it's burnt.
It's okay.
Burnt egg. And burnt meat.
Now I relieve you from your function. You don't need to say yes anymore, unless you want.
Just this is not good.
But it's yummy in my tummy still. On that note, I want you to remember how much of a gentleman I was to you. So when the time comes that I have to say yes to you for 24 hours, you should be nice to be back.
Of course, babe. Oh, Max. You sweet, sweet man. The past 24 hours was cute. Thank you so much for going so easy on me. Because when it's my turn, I won't be. Hey Max, wanna get fries?
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you.